Oh, hi there! I was just practicing one of my favorite riffs. Hey, do you want to learn to play the guitar?
Yes!
Well, I would love to help you to learn. In order to play the guitar like me, you'll need to learn how to count frets first. It's like the old saying, you need to learn to crawl before you walk. Let's not show that ever again, please. Roll the intro!
Unlock your true potential.
If we want to play awesome songs, we need to be able to count frets first. Let's quickly review what frets are so we know how to count them. Frets are the metal pieces that stick up out of the neck of the guitar. As you can see, there are a lot of them. We can count frets by first sliding our finger down to the end of the neck and placing it on this plastic piece called the nut. Now, if you slide your finger this way so that it's between the nut and this fret here, will be on the first fret. When we count and push down on frets, we actually count between the metal frets. It's kind of confusing, but we'll practice so it gets easier. Okay, so this is the first fret, and if I slide my finger over the fret itself, I'm now on the second fret. If I go over one more, I'm now on the third fret. I can keep going higher by sliding my finger over each metal fret and counting the next higher number like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Let's practice counting frets from the first fret up to the 12th fret. Start by moving your finger down to the first fret here. Let's count, starting on the fret that we're currently on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yay!
If you got lost while we were counting, that's okay. You can pause the video and you can practice at your own speed until you get it. Check this out! You may notice that some frets have dots on them. My guitar has dots on 3, 5, 7, 9, and 12. 12 is kind of special because it has 2 dots on it. Does your guitar have dots on some of the frets? Which ones? Now let's practice jumping around to different frets. Go ahead and find the first fret again. Okay, now let's go to the 3rd fret. Now let's go to the 5th fret. Now go to the 7th fret. Awesome! Finding different frets is what you need to be able to do to play songs, and playing songs is what makes learning the guitar fun. It's time to review! Frets are the metal things that stick out of the neck. We can count the frets by moving our finger up the neck and counting between each metal fret. Some frets have dots on them. That's it for today's episode! Don't be sad, because there will be plenty more to learn in the next episodes to come. What do you think we'll be learning next?